Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2023 G-Wagon AMG, fully loaded. This was a special order with the matte paint, accented by the matte black. The owner was going to do a matte black roof, however he chose to do the silver instead. Looked good either way, but the car is very unique. I don't see a lot this way. And what we did was we wrapped it with the matte paint protection film, Xpel's product referred to as Stealth. It actually makes the paint look exactly the same. It doesn't change any aspect of it. So when it goes on, you can still have that optional expensive matte paint job and not have to worry about if you get tar on it or some sort of a bug stain that's pretty heavy and you rub on the matte paint, you could wear it out. But with the paint protection film, you can still retain that matte paint finish from the factory without damaging it. And the paint protection film will take care of all the scuffs as it self-heals, keep the rocks limited as it helps defend against the rocks that hit the car. And most of all, it's guaranteed for not staining, and any stains that get on the bra will not touch the paint. So let's take a walk around and see what we do. And one of the things is we make sure our edges are not crazy and wrapped. So we wrap them in, remove the medallion, wrap it in, remove the simple little grill up here, wrap it all in, wrap these all the way around. Our mirrors are also a painted matte finish, all wrapped in. These doors, all fully wrapped in, no crazy lines, all wrapped. That's the framing. And then here's our doors, front and rear, all wrapped in under these seals, so there's no major lines. And then coming around the door handles, we get those wrapped in. These moldings, you can remove them or not. We don't. We just make sure we get in tight. Taking these off, they just don't seem to go back on the same. So we leave them in place, wrapped, fully wrapped. All this is in gloss. Our roof, I'm going to be able to get up there, but it's done in two sections. We seam it right about here. There is no piece big enough, so we do that all in one piece. And our windows back here, all fully wrapped in, like always, all the way around, all wrapped in under this molding. We remove these back ones to get in. Our fuel door, fully wrapped, the framing, fully wrapped in, so there's no lines. We want to appreciate that paint job. They paid enough for it, so we protect it, and we get that film put away so it's not sticking out like crazy. So again, the mirrors fully wrapped, and much more the same on this side. Hood's fully done, no evidence of the bra. And these bezels done. The bumper, we take this off, real simple. It's just 2 bolts underneath. They're pretty big. Take those out, and we wrap in this whole bumper. So everything's fully protected on this. Headlights as well with clear and ready to go. Next up will be this 23 GX, the Maserati. This guy is going to get started tomorrow for a full wrap. And then over there we have Tesla Y going in stealth, from gloss to stealth. We have a BMW X6 going from gloss to stealth. I'll show you those later in the week, this weekend. And the Z06 is going from gloss to gloss. So we will chat with you guys later. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Another G-Wagon protected and out the door with Xpel's Stealth film, self-healing, never wax it, 10-year guarantee in writing, installation, the life that you own the car. The window film is the XR Plus, 15 in the back, 30 on the sides, and we did a 70 on the windshield. And we ceramic coated over the Stealth film with a ceramic coating made for Stealth film. So there you go, easy to wash, protect the paint, keep the heat out of the car. This truck or SUV will look good for a long time to come. So thanks for watching Clearbrow, North Dallas. Any questions, feel free to write. Any pricing needed, feel free to go to clearbrownorthdallas.com. I won't put pricing on the thread here as it changes as the time goes on, and if I forget to remove it, that could create a problem, so please understand. You can call me at 214-414-3809 for pricing, or you can just hit us up on the website under clearbrownorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.